All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So fight, fight, fight. Here we are. Fight. There we are. Fight. Ding ding. So to punch and be violent. Yes. They are fighting. They are fighting. Yes. How cool is that? He likes to fight. Why do they always fight? Why do they always fight? Yeah, they might be fighting tonight. Maybe, yeah. I will fight them. I'll fight them, yeah. Yeah. They don't know how to fight. They don't know how to fight. No, they don't know how to fight. She always fights it. She always fights against it. They are fighting against the system. They are fighting against the system. Yeah. She is fighting in the ring now. Fighting in the ring now. Maybe. Yeah. Their fight is tomorrow. They will be fighting tomorrow. They will be fighting tomorrow. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Their fight is always tense. Tense. Ooh, what's going to happen next? Yeah. So, fight. Now, can you use fight in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.